how to fix, freeze, suspended, or blocked account on your Venmo application or website. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel again, and in this video, as you can see on your screen, these are some of the best and the genuine steps in order to unfreeze or unblock your Venmo profile. So let's get into the video without any further delay. Step 1 is simply go on the website I'm showing you on the screen, that is http://account.venmo.com/add funds. Visit this website in your web browser to add funds to your Venmo account. Only then you can simply unfreeze your account. After that, select the debit card or bank account you want to pay with, and then simply set up the transfer with any amount you want. After that, the final step is you can also start a text chat with a Vinomo representative in the mobile application by going on the Me tab on your profile and then click on the setting button, click on Get Help, and then click on Chat with us and from the Contact Us option of your Vinomo. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel for watching more technical videos, updates, and reviews like this.